Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a product that's been turning heads and transforming typing experiences, the XDK Retro Custom Keycaps. If you're looking to take your keyboard game to the next level, you're in the right place. I'm your host from UK Pro Reviewer, and let's jump right into why these keycaps are the best in the market. First things first, let's talk about the design. These keycaps sport a stunning twilight color scheme, blending light yellows with browns and grays, creating a retro and warm aesthetic that's just irresistible. And with 125 keys in the set, you have plenty of options to customize your keyboard to match your style and preferences. But it's not just about looks, these keycaps are crafted for comfort and durability. Made from high-quality PBT material and featuring a dye sublimation printing process, they offer a comfortable typing experience while ensuring longevity. The XDA profile keycaps enhance the arc and area of the keycap finger contact surface, elevating your comfort with every keystroke. Now, let's talk about presentation. The XDK Retro Custom Keycaps come packaged in delicate blisters and cardboard boxes, making them not just a practical choice for yourself but also a great gift option for your fellow keyboard enthusiasts. And speaking of practicality, these keycaps are widely compatible. Whether you have Cherry, Gateron, Kale, Altemu, or other MX stem switches, these keycaps are ready to elevate your typing experience. Plus, with 125 keys, they can fit most 60%, 80%, 90%, and 100% customized mechanical keyboards. In conclusion, the XDK Retro Custom Keycaps are not just a game changer for your keyboard, they're a game changer for your typing experience. With their stunning design, comfort-enhancing features, and wide compatibility, they truly stand out as the best keycap sets available in the market. So why wait? Elevate your keyboard game today with the XDK Retro Custom Keycaps. This has been UK Pro Reviewer, signing off. Until next time, thanks for watching.